So whenever you start talking, I'll start your 3 minutes.
Okay, great. Can you see my screen, first of all?
Yes, we can.
Well, hi, everyone. Today, I want to share an idea that we call Dolos. It's a Cardano data node. I'm Santiago Carmuega from TXPipe. When we deploy a node, it usually assumes one of two roles, either a relay node or a producer node. But we argue that there is a third, less known but equally important role that we need to care about, and that's a data node. Every project in Cardano, every DApp needs to query data from the chain. So we use DBSync, Ocmios, Cupo, Carp, Aura, and ever-growing list of tools to connect to the node. And that's what we call a data node, the node that serves these tools with data. Now, what's the catch? The Cardano node is a complex piece of software. It has a lot of things inside. But for the purpose of data, we don't need that much. If we know how to download blocks, if we know how to maintain a state of the chain and the ledger, that's it. We could potentially provide the same data for DBSync, Ocmios, and all of these tools. So what if we could have a trimmed down version of the node just for this purpose? And that's our proposal. We want to build an efficient, tailor-made node just for serving data. And that's what we call Dolos. In Greek mythology, Dolos is the spirit of trickery and master at cunning deception. This is because from the outside, consumers will see Dolos the same way as they see a node. It looks like a node, streams like a node, quacks like a node, but inside we have something else. And you may ask, why do we need this? If we already have a solution that works fine, well, the goal is that we can do better, we can be more efficient, and that's why we want to build this. First of all, if we have a narrow scope, we can optimize different things and we can consume less resources. That means that Dolos would be using a lot less memory and a lot less CPU. That translates, if you're deploying to the cloud, into paying less for infrastructure, or if you're deploying into bare metal, that means cheaper machines. It also means high availability. We can deploy several instances of Dolos in an horizontal scaling approach, and they all will share the same data source, and we can have a load balanced endpoint where consumers will query data, and that will be highly available. So high availability means less downtime, means happier customers. And last but not least, if this is a data node, we can provide new endpoints more friendly for querying data, such as gRPC and HTTP, and languages like Python, Go, Node could query the node directly. We are TXPipe. We develop open source tools for the Cardano ecosystem. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you very much, Santiago. Very interesting project.